Creating an event on Facebook is a simple process, whether it's for a birthday party, webinar, or any gathering. Here's a concise guide. Log in, sign into your Facebook account, navigate to Events, click on Events in the left-hand menu on your Facebook homepage. Create event. On the Events page, click the Create Event button, usually located at the top right. Event type. Choose between online or in-person for the event format. Event details. Fill in the event details, including the event name, date, time, location, and description. Add a cover photo that represents your event. Privacy settings. Set the event's privacy settings. You can choose between public, private, or hidden. Public events are visible to anyone on Facebook. Private events are visible only to invited guests, and hidden events are invite-only. Co-hosts. If you're organizing the event with others, you can add co-hosts who can also manage the event. Ticketing. If your event requires tickets, you can set up ticketing through a third-party service like Eventbrite. Advanced settings. Configure additional settings like allowing or disallowing guest posts, age restrictions, or event tags. Create event. Click the Create button to create your event. Invite guests. You can invite friends, specific Facebook groups, or share the event's link to invite people. You can also promote it using Facebook ads. Manage event. After creating the event, you can manage it by posting updates, responding to questions, and tracking RSVPs.